Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Dax expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, and this is a specialized robot built exclusively for the German DAX index DE40, whatever your broker calls it, but it's for the DAX. The seller promises serious profits with tight stops and 23 independent strategies. But does it hold up in real conditions? We'll break it down in this video, so ensure you watch until the end to get the full picture. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it by using the link in the description below. It's free, so just go download it and use it on your chart and come back to comment. And talking about the DAX expert advisor, it's been marketed as a pure DAX expert advisor with 23 independent strategies, not some generic grid or martingale system. According to the developer, Mr. Babak Almada, it uses dynamic parameters that automatically adjust based on the current DAX price levels. It takes quick entries with very tight stop losses, around $3 per 0.1 lot, and it keeps holding times short. The whole idea is to catch fast moves during active trading sessions on the German index. You can run it on different time frames, and it supposedly adapts to various DAX symbols across brokers. DAX symbols like the DE40 and German 30, DAX 40, GR, DAX, just the German indexes. These are the type of pairs you should run it on. And also, their backtest from 2018 to 2024 shows absolutely insane numbers. We are seeing millions in profits from a tiny starting deposit. This is how it looks. This is how their equity curve looks, and we have profit factors of over 24 and win rates hitting 96% with super low drawdowns on their live signal. They show around 80% profit trades, and this is a live signal, and this is the profitable trades. 80% profitable trades on their live signal, and it's been a bit rough lately with some negative growth periods. We're currently at -7%, and more losses have been taken as of recent. So overall, they position it as a professional tool for index traders who want defined risk per trade instead of risky averaging systems. So this is exactly how it looks like. And for the features and settings, the developer highlights the ability to enable or disable individual strategies, dynamic lot sizing, and limits on how many strategies can run at once. Also, there is no martingale, there are no dangerous grids, just proper risk management with tight stops. Emphasis on the tight stops. They recommend adjusting risk lower for small accounts or prop firms, and the expert advisor is built to work with different DAX CFDs. It sounds thoughtful for serious DAX traders. These are the pairs you can actually trade it with. These pairs. Now let's talk about my backtest. I had the opportunity to test this expert advisor on MetaTrader 5, on DE40 on the 1 hour time frame, and I ran this backtest from April 2025 to April 2026 on a 10k account with every tick modeling. Looking at the equity curve, it starts with steady climbing, has some nice growth periods, but you also see several noticeable dips and one bigger drop around early 2026 around here, where it gave back quite a bit. Overall, it made about $4,980 profit, net profit actually, and profit factor of 1.21. The max drawdown around 45 to 47%. That is quite high. The developer mentioned that you can edit the risks to better suit your strategy or your preferences. So but these are the numbers when being run on the default setting. So these are what we have: the 47% max drawdown. That's quite high. So on default, you shouldn't be using it on a prop firm account except you know how to tweak it properly. And with roughly 78 to 80% win rate across 659 trades in total, have 78% win rate. That is commendable, that is fair compared to the developers' crazy optimized results with millions in profits and tiny drawdowns. This is way more grounded, still positive, but with real risks. The inputs let you control which strategies are active, and that flexibility actually matters a lot. We have so many strategies here which you can actually edit, and honestly, in live trading, slippage and spread will hit those tight stops harder than in backtest. So you should get a broker that is friendly when it comes to the spreads. Yeah, get a broker friendly. Get a broker to trade with that has low spreads. Yeah. The thing is, this DAX expert advisor can work well for experienced prop traders who knows the DAX inside out and can handle 40% drawdowns without stressing. It performs better in trending or high volatility moves, but it gets chopped in ranging markets. The main risks are spread, sensitivity, correlated strategies firing together, and live results being noticeably rougher than those perfect backtests. It's not ideal for beginners, tiny accounts, or anyone wanting true set and forget with minimal risks. Test it thoroughly on your broker first before trading live with it. Now, if you found this review helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop in the comments which expert advisor you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description below. Trade safe everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.